Hey guys, how's it going? This is Seth Turin, and today I'm excited because by the request of my viewers, I have a brand new microphone. So hopefully the audio in this video is a little bit better than my previous videos. Not only that, but we just released a brand new update to UBot Studio with a couple new toys to play with. You'll notice a brand new UI command called UI in main browser. I added this command for two reasons. One is because as we go through the DeFi commands and the crypto commands in general, it would be really useful to get some more data about what's actually happening behind the scenes. And it's going to be a lot clearer if we're able to do that in the big UBot browser. And the other reason is that as I'm going through these crypto commands, we're not really using the web browser. So we might as well do something with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag in a UI log view and drag this over, click OK, and now we have a UI log view right here in our main browser. Let's see if this works. Let's look for our log command, drag this over, let's just say hello, and now if we run this, the word hello appears in our log view in the main browser. Alright, cool story, Seth. Let's do something actually useful with it. Alright, so we added another command under our log commands. We now have log object. And the way this works, if we have an object that we want to put over here, we can say log object and look what's going to happen. Alright, let's just pretend that we just ran some DeFi command and it always gives us this txinfo variable back. And for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to paste in some old data. And notice here I'm setting this the same way that I would set any variable. The difference is that I'm doing it in YAML format, and that's what's differentiating this as an object. So let's hit OK. And now in our log object command here, we're going to go to our variables, txinfo, and hit OK. And now when we run this, it's showing us our information, but it's giving us some text highlighting, which makes it a little bit easier to read. So as we're running a whole bunch of DeFi commands, this is just going to make it a little bit nicer to look at and follow what's going on. But you know what? I don't actually like the light theme. I'm a dark theme kind of person. So let me show you one other toy that we just added. So down here in my UI commands, I'm going to drag over UI HTML snippet. And I'm going to see if we can just make this look a little bit nicer. So behind the scenes, all of the UI is done in HTML, which means that I can make it look the way I want to by adding a style tag. If HTML isn't your thing, no worries. I'm going to post the code to this bot on the blog page, which will be linked to in the description. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to say body, and for the body, we're going to change the background color to 060606. Let's click OK and see how that looks. All right, cool. So behind the UI log view, it's now this almost black color. All right, so how do we change the color of the log view here? And the way we do this is by changing the log view class. So we're going to say .log view. We're going to change the background color to 282C34. And also we're going to add an important just to make sure that our background color overwrites the default background color for the log view. And then if we're going to have a dark background, then of course we need to make sure that we set the text to white. Let's click OK and see how it looks. Alright, so this looks a little bit nicer, but now we still have this light colored object readout here. So how do we fix that? Alright, I'm going to show you a little trick. The way this works behind the scenes is using a library called highlight.js. Here's the demo for highlight.js, and you can see they have all of these different themes here. And we can actually use whatever theme we want. I'm going to go ahead and go with this theme. So what I need now is to pull this theme from a CDN. So I'm going to Google highlight.js CDN. And again, if you have no idea what I'm doing, no big deal. Just download the bot from the link in the description, and all of this is already done for you. But now I'm going to find my theme file, and there's a lot of things here. So why don't we go asset type, styling, and here's the one we want right here. I'm going to say copy link tag, jump back over to UBot, edit this, and I'm going to put this link underneath my style tag. Now I'm going to click OK, and now it looks a little bit nicer. So as I'm running my crypto commands, I can keep having it log this data, and it's going to appear and look really nice in our main browser UI right here. And that's it. Hope this was helpful. See you next time.